Welcome to PC Error Detective. Today we will show you exactly how to reinstall Windows 10 step by step so you can fix issues or start fresh. In this video, we'll guide you through the entire process in an easy and clear way. Step 1. Click the Windows Start button at the bottom left of your screen. This opens the main menu, which is where you can access all your system settings and features. It's the first step to begin the reinstallation process. Step 2. Select Settings from the menu. The Settings app lets you manage your system, personalize your computer, and access important options like updates and recovery. Step 3. In Settings, click on Update and Security. This section contains all the tools you need to keep Windows running smoothly and includes recovery options for reinstalling the system. Step 4. Scroll down and select Recovery. Recovery allows you to reset your PC, troubleshoot problems, and restore Windows if something is not working correctly. Step 5. Under Recovery Options, click Get Started. This will launch the Windows Reinstallation Wizard, which will guide you through the reset process step by step. Step 6. Choose whether to keep my files or remove everything. Keeping your files saves your personal documents and apps, while removing everything gives you a completely fresh installation. Step 7. Choose how you want Windows to be reinstalled: cloud download or local reinstall. Cloud download will fetch the latest version of Windows from the internet, while local reinstall uses the files already on your PC. Step 8. Review the summary of what will happen and click Next. This lets you confirm your choices and ensures you know what files and settings will be affected before starting the reset. Step 9. Follow the instructions on the screen. Your PC will restart and begin the reinstallation process, which may take some time, so make sure your computer is plugged in and do not turn it off. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful guides.